So if you took what I said about building an all-black installing crew as me being racist, then I really think it's something wrong with you. Because if you look at this country is bullies. Come on now. I'm not. So I'm a bully because I said, oh, I'm just going to reach out to only black people. And that's what I mean. Like, I'm going to reach out to mine. If other people come up and say, hey, man, I'm looking for a job, I show up. Yeah, I'm going to hire them. I ain't got no problem with nobody. But I know my people need help. And they think that you got to go through all these messed up obstacles in order to get on certain job sites, in order to get in certain positions to make money and have a purpose. And you don't. Like, I understand the system that we need to use anyway, my people, is because it's not the same as the white people. It's not the same. People of color got different rules. It ain't that we got different rules that we necessarily have written. Nah, we realize that, okay, I can't go through the front door. Still, this still America, and they still say, oh yeah, it's segregation. It's no black or white signs. It is, man. It is. It might not be sitting on that building. When you walk up to that door, it say white only, but it's white only. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good, though. I'm not tripping on that. I just know that my people who are felons, my people who got some disadvantages, my people who really want to do something and think they got to go through these extra steps, don't have to. And if they want a better opportunity, if they want to be a part of Hog On, I'm reaching out to them. Anybody else who want to be a part of Hog On, you can be a part of Hog On, because we getting our Hog On, literally. You see what I'm saying? And we are a diverse company. But I look out for my people. So if you see us in the field, it's going to be majority black, because I'm going to be reaching out. Now, if somebody white want to come, Mexican want to come, I don't have no problem. Come holler at me. But I didn't even heard other Mexican guys that's around in the Arizona. They don't even like it's different. Like, they'll work with somebody black, but when they was in the joint, you know, they was segregated in there. They wouldn't even sleep in the same area. You see what I'm saying? So even the system, the prison system, is set up to be segregated, man. You know what I mean? But I didn't help a lot of Mexican brothers since I've been out here. I didn't help the white brothers since I've been out here. You know what I mean? And black. But it's only been a few blacks, because a few of them, you know, tend to get intimidated about even the job experience you got to have, or they feel like, you know, that the knowledge that they got is not enough. But that's the whole reason of doing what I'm doing, because if you don't know, you can learn. So don't get intimidated or scared because you don't have all the information. As long as you can do your part, get to work on time, show up, the rest of it we can teach. You see what I'm saying? But I don't care who you are in that aspect.